These rings signify that...
Sorry. Thought it was on silent.
These rings...
So help me, Thomas!
Okay, sorry. Excuse me, this is an emergency. Sorry.
What?
This better be important. Are you skiing?
Snowboarding, actually, but I need your help now. Life or death situation this very second. I need you to use the ring I gave you to save me. Like, right now.
Okay, slow down. I don't even know where you are.
You just gotta picture where you want the ring to go. So picture this.
Okay. Hang on.
Did you throw it?
Oh, God.
What? Tell me what, oh God.
I think I mixed up the rings when I was teasing JoJo.
What? Where is it? Then where is it?
You don't want to know.
Oh, but I do, Tom. I very much want to know before I become a hedgehog-flavored snow cone.
Hang tight, buddy. I got this.
With this ring, Rachel.
Hey! Hi.
Everything okay, bud?
Not really.
What are you doing?
This is gonna sound really crazy, but I'm gonna need to see that ring for just 1 second. 1 second.
Have you lost your mind?
I'm gonna give it right back, I promise. Please, Randall, it's really important. Can I?
No, bro. Go sit down.
Randall, give me the ring, please. Just.
Okay, Randall, don't look at him. Look at me.
Randall, 1 second.
Put the ring on my finger.
No, Randall, listen to me.
Randall, look at me. Ring on my finger.
Randall, give me the ring. Give me just 1 second.
Put a ring on it! Please, love, okay?
With this ring.
Yes, baby.
I'm so sorry about this.
Snow, my God.
Oh, boy.